Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In today's episode, we will be learning how we can log out of Monopoly Go application using your mobile device. Logging out of Monopoly Go application is quick and easy. First of all, launch open your Monopoly Go application and then once you're inside the main game page, tap on the menu button at the top right corner of the screen. Now this will open up this interface where you'll need to tap on Settings. Under Settings, choose Manage Account. Disconnect your linked account. This could be your Facebook account, your Apple account, or your Google account. Simply tap the Disconnect button next to the account you want to remove. I'm gonna tap on the Facebook Disconnect option. In the pop-up, confirm that you want to disconnect by tapping on Disconnect again, and that should be able to help you log out from Monopoly Go. This will then effectively log you out from your linked account, but you can still play the game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks. See you in the next video.